Have you ever bought a book and not read it? Have you ever purchased a program and not finished it? Have you ever gone to a seminar and not followed through? Have you ever joined a gym and not gone to the gym? Have you ever set a New Year's resolution and literally after a month you've completely fallen off track? Well, I got good news for you. Welcome to being a human being. You know what? We've all done that before, and I'll be the first one to admit that I've done it many times over, and truthfully, I probably do it again. So the real question is, why does that happen? Why do people get initial bursts of motivation, and then after a couple of weeks, they completely fall off the track and get off the wheel? You know the real answer is, it's because most people do not understand that success is a team sport. It's fact, it's been conditioned and ingrained in our culture that it's favorable and honorable to be self-made. And that if you get expert advice and bring people onto your team, it's a sign of weakness. But here's the thing, if you do this on your own, not only will it take you so much longer, it would completely dramatically reduce your chances of success. Because human beings in the history of mankind will always perform better when they are being supported and held accountable to a higher standard by their team. It's just the way we work. So if you want to become more successful, if you want to be on track and not lose that motivation, then understand that success is a team sport. And you need to be the team captain. You need to bring the star quarterback. You need to bring the best doctor. You need to bring in the best coach. I can assure you, the more you understand this principle, the more you focus on building your team, the more successful you will be.